This video will cover some basics for getting around as a student. I'm currently logged in as my test student known as Curly Foe. So Curly has logged in, and Curly is taking a summer course, Mathematics 0300. So as you look at this screen, you can see three tabs across the top: Home, which is where we are now, My Courses, and Messages. My Courses will go there. Now under My Courses there are also two tabs, and so this is the view at which you can go in and drill down. You can see the right facing arrow, which means there's more underneath there. So underneath Mathematics, the first unit is whole numbers, and then underneath that we have everything under whole numbers. The first part is the course overview, which Curly seems to have skipped. Oh, that Curly. And he's also gone through the first lesson and completed it, and at this point has a score of 76.8. So his next lesson is place values. So if Curly wanted, he could just click here and go right into the next lesson on place values. So let's say Curly does that. This lesson is broken down into three sections up above, 1, 2, and 3. You can see most of the lessons will follow this pattern. There are vocabulary words. There are also flashcards and a spelling bee, and I'll let you experiment with those in the future to enhance learning. So in this lesson, you can see it's teaching the material here, and then as you go down, you'll start getting into the first exercises within this lesson. So here's the first question, and here are the places to enter the answers. And so if I wanted to answer this question, we'll just go ahead and do this. How many tens and how many ones does this number count? Well, 98, Curly thinks, is 9 tens, and he thinks it's 8 ones. So he enters that on his keyboard, and then when he's ready, he clicks Submit Answer. So that answer is submitted, and now he's on to question number 2. It's pretty straightforward, and you'll be able to see that. So that's the first view of the lesson. So so now we're going to go back, close out here. We'll go back to Courses and see the other tabs. So under My Courses we have the course view, and then we also have a Planner tab. And under the Planner tab, you can see a list of overdue assignments, of schoolwork that's coming up, and this has a hyperlink that gets you right into the place value assignment, and then upcoming assignments as well. Since Curly just started on this course, his progress is at 0% right now in math, but once he starts doing some of his lessons, the overall progress counter will be filled in here. It's at 0% right now. The last tab to look at is Messages, and if Curly had a message for his teacher, he could click on New Message, and in this case his teacher is Plato Foe. Boy, Curly's a fast typer. Okay, so Curly is ready to submit, so he clicks Send. That message has been sent to his teacher. So this has been a basic overview of getting around as a student.